Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a Kwikset front door set, handle set, Kwikset. And I'm going to show you how to reverse the curve on these handles if you want this pointing up instead of pointing down. Okay? First thing is there's a set screw, right? My finger's touching it right there, and they usually give you a long Allen when you buy the set. There it is inside there, the long Allen. You could probably get by with a shorter one, but the long one makes it nice and easy to turn. This is a reverse thread, so when you turn it to tighten it, it's actually coming out. See that? It's coming out, and that fastens it into the hole right there. See the hole? So when you're taking it off, you go lefty-loosey, and that turns the screw in, and then you can pull this off. Okay? Little trick. These brassy trims are just a press fit on, so just give it a little twist or a little pull. That'll come right off. It's just got a little, see that little indent there? It's just press fit. These next two screws to take this piece off, and they screw in quite a ways, so you have to turn them a long ways. If you've got a power tool to do that, that'll make it go faster. You can do it by hand. I'm going to rewind a little bit here. You don't even have to take this piece off or what's underneath. All you have to do is take the right one to the left and the left one to the right. All right, just make the hole has to be lined up with the Allen screw. That's it. So that was a quickie. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want the notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.